Hey guys, welcome back to DelveStack. Today I'll be showing you how to change password on TeamViewer. So guys, to do this process, first things first is of course open up the TeamViewer into your computer. And now once you are here, you can just simply go ahead and go to the settings at the top right corner, just selecting three dots and go for the settings. And now over here, you could just simply utilize the search bar at the top and you could just simply search for password. And now over here, you will have an option password at the very first one. Now from here, as you can see, you will have an option over here, random password after each session. And here, if you want your password on each session random, you should be able to have generate new over here every session, keep current, and other options when it comes to the password. Now, if you want to change your password into your account itself, you could go for the edit over here on the side. And now a pop-up window will show up and just simply go for the account tab over here. And pretty much over here, you could simply change your password down below. As you can see, to change your account password, enter the new password in this field. And pretty much you will have other options as well regarding about your account over here, and pretty much you can also change your password over here. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, comment down below, and thanks for watching.